one of the top countries globally in terms of number of World Heritage Sites. A very good morning to one and all present here. I hope that you all have rightly guessed that today's assembly is on our heritage, which is our wealth, presented by Class 10. Now I request everyone to join their hands and close their eyes for the morning prayer. Now I would like to call Gurkir to share today's thought of the day.
Good morning. Today's thought is, it is not the honor that you take with you, but the heritage that you leave behind. I repeat, it is not the honor that you take with you, but the heritage that you leave behind. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurkir. Now it's time to update ourselves with some quick news by Rishima.
US NSA hints at tough line on Pak. Dera support Tankha to 39 Sikh leaders. Yogi, those silent on triple talaq, as guilty as those practicing it. Students protest across Kashmir Valley, 60 hurt in clashes. Kulbhushan Jadhav issue, India retaliates, calls off security dialogue with Pakistan. Godrej Properties ties up with Taj to build luxury hotel at Mumbai's Trees project. Stunned by AAP defeat, NRIs blame it on EVMs. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishima. Next coming up is Akshit, who will converge a light on our heritage.
People without knowledge of their past, origin and culture is like a tree with no roots. Good morning everyone, my name is Akshit and I stand before you to deliver a speech on the topic Heritage of India. Every human being has a different individuality. However, seen as a collection, we can classify human beings into civilizations. How? This is due to a common thread that binds many people. It is their heritage, their inheritance. Their previous generations have left their stamp in every walk of life. They have defined a society to which everyone subconsciously becomes a part. Fortunately for us, heritage consists of the best ideas that were born in the previous societies. Heritage is the inheritance of cultures, traditions, influences, and ideas. It often takes great people to guide and enlighten other people. It is not easy to encapsulate the heritage. A variety of cultures and religions makes things even tougher. Geopolitical changes bring with them new ideas and fresh perspectives. All this helps to develop a rich heritage for us. India is blessed with a vast and rich heritage. Heritage is not only about historical monuments and sites. Heritage also talks about cultural heritage, technological heritage, spiritual heritage, etc. The science and technology of ancient India was quite advanced. Many historians believe that the advances that were believed to be made in Europe had been achieved centuries ago in India. Such advances cover all major activities like mathematics, astronomy, physics, medicine, metallurgy, surgery, architecture, and shipbuilding, etc. Indian mathematicians have made important contributions in the study of decimal number system, arithmetic, zero, and algebra. India is also the birthplace of Ayurveda and yoga. These systems are finding many followers in the West. Our vast and rich heritage has provided a base for us to advance further in the future. As Indians, we ought to be proud of our heritage and strive to preserve it for our descendants by respecting it and ensuring its survival. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshat. Now let's have a glance at few of our popular heritage.
Rishima, don't you think it's been a long time since we have gone to a holiday trip? I think we should plan something for the coming vacations.
Well, yes, you're right, Ashby. You know what? This time I'm thinking of something really epic. Guess what?
What is it?
As you know, our country is so rich in its culture and heritage. Why don't we go for a complete tourism of India to discover the most prestigious heritages?
Wow, that's a great idea. But Rishima, I know heritages as old buildings and palaces, but I don't know what actually heritage is.
I think I can help you with this. What I know is that heritage is not only old buildings. It is a full range of inherited traditions, monuments, objects, and culture. Heritage is much more than preserving, excavating, displaying, or restoring old things. It gives us a sense of our culture and traditions in the past, which we still carry along with us.
Anyway, we are going to visit the architectural marvels and cultural institutions that dot the geographical expanse of India. And I know one of these travelogues of Incredible India. It will hopefully tell us about the famous heritage sites.
So the first one is Konark Sun Temple. It is believed that this temple was built by King Narasimhadeva I of Eastern Ganga dynasty in 1255 CE in Orissa. The architecture of the temple is like a gigantic chariot. The name of the temple Konark is derived from the two Sanskrit words. Kona means corner and Ark means sun, which means that this temple was dedicated to Surya Dev, that is sun god.
Next one is Taj Mahal, the greatest and the most fascinating monument of India. It's located at the southern bank of Yamuna. Rabindranath Tagore called it a dream in marble. Today it is reckoned as one of the 7 wonders of the world. This great monument, built in pure white marble, was erected by Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal.
The next is Qutub Minar. It is a 240 feet tall tapering tower having 5 floors and is situated in Delhi. It was established along with the Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque around 1192 by Qutbuddin Aibak, the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate. It is also considered in the UNESCO as a World Heritage Site.
Next one are Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra. These are a Buddhist monastery complex of 30 rock-cut caves containing paintings and sculpture considered to be masterpieces of both Buddhist religious art and universal pictorial art. It is also one of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites.
Sanchi Stupa. This Mahastupa is situated in a small town of Madhya Pradesh called Sanchi. It was built by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century to preserve and spread Buddhist philosophy. This Mahastupa is also given the status of a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO.
Next one is Red Fort, or the Lal Killa, as it is popularly known, takes its name from the red sandstone used to build its vast walls. Situated in the country's capital, it is one of the most iconic monuments of the world. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty for nearly 200 years. Now, let's have a glance at the current status of the beautiful heritage of India through a video.
Hey! You made the shot!
India is one of the world's oldest living civilizations. The past lives on in the present. Preserve this wondrous continuity. The onus is on all of us.
Our heritage is our wealth, so we should preserve it. Thank you.
We have Mr. Manoj Kumar with us today, who is going to demonstrate paper art.
Actually, students, I'm from New Delhi, and before 2 years back, your school already coming. Now, I given to different art for small drawing. You know, he's drawing for folding drawing. First, you want to see Trimonti. What is this? And 4 rope. Just folding and complete for Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. See. Just open. So my dear students, Now I am giving to different for drawing article. And just little showing for origami. For different, you take some A4 sheet paper, drawing sheet paper, chart paper, and just make the fold. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, no problem. Just fold. After fold is complete, you take any small and big scissor. First, number 1 is design name doll. What is this? First doll, leg position complete. Number 1 and next number 2. नंबर 2 में यहां से एक गोल कट, राउंड द कट. ये डॉल का सर वाला हिस्सा कंप्लीट. नंबर 3, आप बिल्कुल अप साइड में फुल ऑफ कट. लास्ट नंबर 4, यहां से लास्ट तक पूरे वेस्टर्न पीपल्स को काटना है. ओपन number 1 doll ready. See. My dear students, this doll name Anju. Open Anju's small sister Manju. Anju Manju to brother Ganju Panju. All open पूरा अंजू मंजू का परिवार. My dear students, next item for Rangoli. Rangoli art. First, on a paper folding 3 times. 1, 2, and last 3. First number 1, only little cut, 2 side. दोनों तरफ से एक छोटा छोटा कट. Only for यही साइड से 1 cut, 1 more again cut, 1 cut, 1 more again cut. वेस्टेज पेपर्स को ऐसे छोटे छोटे कट लगाकर काटना है. कंप्लीट. देन आफ्टर यहां से इन पेजेस को पलट कर ऐसे 2 टाइम, 1 and 2. Only capital V cut is complete for beautiful Rangoli. So my dear students, open for little design. Next, open for half design. All open for very nice and beautiful Rangoli is ready. Please, my dear students, today is for different art and new models book. So only you take some paper for color by color papers, another one joint, only make the roll other paper joint now outside from inside the joint and make the roll. इस पर बहुत सुंदर एंड बहुत ही खूबसूरत माला क्या बनेगी? यानी बहुत बड़ा हार। ओनली इन पेजेस को रोल बनाने के बाद इन कैंची से 2 टाइम 1 and second 2 और 3 4 हाफ बिल्कुल स्मॉल कट लगाना है। देन आफ्टर इन पेजेस को दबा दोगे और इस साइड से लिटिल कट, ऑल पेपर ओपन हो जाएंगे और यहां से छोटे छोटे कट लगाना है, स्मॉल स्मॉल कट, नो नंबर, 1 टाइम 2 टाइम 3 4 5 6 7, बिकॉज आपका अच्छा फेस्टिवल आता है, क्रिसमस डे, 15 अगस्त, 26 जनवरी, आपका बर्थडे, दैट टाइम आप यूज करेंगे और अपनी स्कूल्स में एक अच्छा सा डेकोरेट करेंगे। सेम टू सेम कट फॉर लिटिल लिटिल कट, नो नंबर। देन आफ्टर इन पेजेस को आप ऐसे दबा देंगे, देन आपका त्योहार आ चुका है। ओनली टेक फॉर 1 पेपर। बेटा यू कम 1, वेरी गुड। टेक फॉर ओनली 1 पेपर। टेक बेटा, डू दिस। I have to total 25 design for different, but I have to not time. Last item, इसके बाद 2 मिनट्स के लिए मैं आपको ड्राइंग के बारे में डेमो करूंगा। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे 2 पेपर्स का एक स्मॉल रोल बनाना है और इन कैंची के थ्रू ओनली फॉर 3 4 हाफ कट फॉर वेरी स्मॉल कट, 1 small, 1 big size round the cut, और पेंसिल से जस्ट इन पेजेस को फोल्ड बनाना है। ऐसे एक स्मॉल फोल्ड आप बना देंगे, फिंगर से इन्हें दबाना है। 2 पेपर सेपरेट, सम येलो पेपर्स जस्ट फोल्ड, ऐसे फिंगर से इन्हें दबा देंगे और यू टेक सम 1 पेपर, स्लोली ओपन फॉर फर्स्ट डिजाइन नंबर 1। नो इंटरेस्ट, डाउन टर्न बाय टर्न, नंबर 2 डिजाइन रेडी। इज नॉट इंटरेस्ट, पेपर वेस्ट पेपर कट एंड स्लोली डाउन, ब्यूटीफुल लोटस इज कंप्लीट। Last, I want to show for drawing article for 2 minutes. This flower presentation for man. Please clapping all of you, please.
Class 8 and 9, start moving to your classes. Class 8 and class 9, start moving to your classes.
So my dear students, मेरे पास ये बुक्स आता है, इसका प्राइस कीमत ट्रेडिंग से 25 है, लेकिन आपके लिए कंसेशन है। नेक्स्ट, मैं आपको एक स्मॉल ड्राइंग दिखाना चाहता हूं। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें कुछ ड्राइंग बना हुआ है? इसमें है, लेकिन ये पेंसिल से एक ब्यूटीफुल ड्राइंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। जैसे कि हम इन पेंसिल से, प्लीज साइलेंट, इसको हम ऐसे, जैसे कि ये एक अनोखा ड्राइंग है, इस टाइप का ये भी एक अनोखा ड्राइंग है। हम इन्हें पेंसिल से मिटा देंगे, लेकिन ये मिटेगा नहीं, बल्कि ऑलरेडी ड्राइंग बन जाएगा। ये हमारे राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का पोस्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। कोई भी ड्राइंग पे आप ऐसे इन्हें बिल्कुल करते जाओगे, लेकिन ये मिटेगा नहीं, बल्कि ऑलरेडी बन जाएगा। सी व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या बन गया? मोंकी। इसके अंदर मोटू पतलू, छोटा भीम, डोरेमोन, मिकी माउस सभी कार्टून्स इसके अंदर बने हुए हैं। सी तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन्हें आप जितने भी मिटाओगे पेंसिल से, लेकिन ये मिटेगा नहीं, बन जाएगा। और जब बनने के बाद आप इन्हें रबड़ से इन्हें फिनिश कर सकते हैं, फिर से आप बना सकते हैं। तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स को अगर ये बुक चाहिए, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ओरिगामी, इसका प्राइस कीमत ट्रेनिंग से 25, ये ड्राइंग का भी 25, लेकिन जिनको भी इंटरेस्ट है आपको दोनों बुक ओनली फॉर 40 रुपीज में दिया जाएगा। हाउ मेनी रुपीज? विथ दिस 4 कलर पेपर। इस बुक के साथ में, पूरे पैकेज के साथ में ये कलर पेपर आपको फ्री दिया जाएगा। फॉर ब्रिंग टुमारो, सो इंटरेस्टेड, ब्रिंग टुमारो 40 रुपीज गिव टू योर टीचर। सो प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट फॉर टीचर, यू आर इन्फॉर्म टू क्लासरूम एंड टुमारो 40 रुपीज। हु वन इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दिस बुक? Yes, excuse ma'am, please come. Ma'am, please, you are announced.
Okay children, if you are interested in buying the book, you can just tell your parents about it and inform, submit the money tomorrow to your teachers. Okay? Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Manoj.
Please, and request for all teachers, you are informed to classroom. Thank you for teacher and students and principal ma'am. Thank you, धन्यवाद।